What's the meaning of cognizance? Cognizance. Cognizance.
Cognizance. Cognizance. Cognizance is the state of being aware or having knowledge of something. It refers to the understanding or recognition of a particular fact, concept, or situation. Cognizance can also be used in legal contexts to describe the jurisdiction of a court or the authority of a judge to hear and rule on a case. In essence, cognizance implies a level of consciousness or familiarity with a given subject or circumstance. Overall, cognizance is an important cognitive process that enables individuals to navigate the world around them and make informed decisions.